Set and ready. They're racing the trotters, and away smartly Hades Rocket from barrier 2, and also Saltwater Gold has made a good beginning. Just behind them then would have been Herod of Mott as they sort out Hades Rocket and Saltwater Gold, the two leaders. So they get down to the winning post now, and they're together. They're about 4 lengths in front of Herod of Mott racing third in the Robert Dunn colours, trained of course by Craig and Amy Edmonds, and John Dunn the driver. So round the turn out of the straight they run, and the leader by about 1.5 lengths now is Saltwater Gold. Saltwater Gold, the leader, is followed 2 lengths back now by Hades Rocket, and 3 or 4 lengths further back then to Herod of Mott. They race down the back the trotters, and the leader by 2 lengths now is Saltwater Gold. Saltwater Gold, the 4-year-old bay gelding, by now another look in front, and that's bowling along by about 2 lengths now. Running second, Hades Rocket, the mare by Armbro Invasion, and then there's a gap of 3 further back then to the Monarchy filly at the back of the field, and that's Herod of Mott. They race down the back just on 1,800 metres left to run, and Saltwater Gold is the leader, and it's out by a good 3 lengths at this stage. Running second, Hades Rocket, the pace is on a bit, and a couple of lengths further back now to Herod of Mott. So down the side they run, and Saltwater Gold still clearly in front, down to the 1,600, out by 3 lengths now. Running second, they were followed then by Hades Rocket, and 2 lengths away third is Herod of Mott as they race round towards the straight entrance. 1,500 metres left to run, and Saltwater Gold first into the straight. It's out by a good 2 to 3 lengths now. Running second, Hades Rocket, 2 lengths away third is Herod of Mott. They race down through the straight, and they have 1,300 metres left to run. Saltwater Gold is the leader, bowling along here, and it's 2.5 to 3 lengths in front. Down to the winning post now with a lap to go. Running second, we've got Hades Rocket, and a couple of lengths away third is Herod of Mott. There's no change in the order, and Saltwater Gold on the turn out of the straight, and that's 2.5 in front. Followed then in second spot by Hades Rocket's been getting a good run throughout, and 1.5 back third is Herod of Mott. At the 1,000 metres into the back they run, and the leader's gone further in front here. Saltwater Gold for trainer Murray Edmonds, and that's out by about 4 or 5 lengths now. Second spot is Hades Rocket, 1.5 back, and third spot is Herod of Mott as they go down the back straight. 800 metres left to run, and Saltwater Gold is the leader. Running second, 3 lengths back is Hades Rocket, and back third is Herod of Mott. Seems to be going pretty well, but giving the leader about 5 lengths at this stage. And the leader is Saltwater Gold, off the back by 3. Followed Hades Rocket a couple of lengths away to Herod of Mott, off the back 550 left to run, and that's Saltwater Gold the leader. Followed by Hades Rocket trying to close. It's 2.5 back and getting up on the inside now. We've got Herod of Mott coming up down past the 400 metres, and the leader still at the moment is Saltwater Gold, but coming off its back now to challenge. We've got Herod of Mott's got handy very quickly. Hades Rocket wider out. They turn for home, and that's Saltwater Gold the inside. Herod of Mott is trying to reach it. Further back then to Hades Rocket. Saltwater Gold though in front and holding. Saltwater Gold for trainer Murray Edmonds out by 1.25 lengths. Trying hard there Herod of Mott, but Saltwater Gold has got it wrapped up. Saltwater Gold has won it by about a length. Second home was Herod of Mott, and they're about 4 lengths in front of the third place getter there, Hades Rocket, and that's the way they've finished in the qualifying trot.